Think you're doing everything right with your style, but still looking older than you want? These habits might be secretly adding years to how you look. But don't worry, I'm sharing exactly how you can fix them for 2025. Make sure you stay till the end because the last habit is something that affects 80% of women, and especially if you're petite. But most people don't realize they're making a mistake that is making them look older. Starting with a very common one. Are you only wearing basics? And this is what it looks like if you only wear basics. Even though basics are very easy to pull off, they're not the easiest to make you look stylish. So if you're only wearing basic pieces, they can make you look plain and therefore older. So switch to this. Do you see how big a difference it makes? This is how it looks like when you mix basics with statement pieces. It could just be as simple as a statement neckline, but it immediately makes your outfit look more updated and more on trend and therefore more useful. Before we continue with more game-changing tips, I want to thank FabFitFun for sponsoring the next section. FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription where you get 6 products per season from top brands across fashion, beauty, home, wellness, and more. I love how I get to choose all the exact products for each box to fit my lifestyle. For the spring box, I've chosen products for both fashion and beauty. One of the most common habits that might be aging you is not paying enough attention to accessories. You might be thinking keeping it simple means just skip accessories altogether, but that actually make your outfit look plain, unfinished, and therefore older. So in my box for the spring, I picked out these gorgeous sunglasses. Do you see how instantly they elevate even the most simple outfit? The brand is Diff Charitable Eyewear, and this pair alone would have cost me $89. And that's more than how much I have paid for the entire box. The next aging habit is something I just realized last year. If you're like me, constantly dyeing, blow dry, or curling your hair, yeah, you're gonna get frizzy and damaged hair. And that is the opposite of making you look younger, no matter how much attention you're paying to your outfit. So this is one of the most important habits I'm fixing for myself this year as well. There were so many great hair care products at FabFitFun, it was hard to choose. But as soon as I saw the Leave-In Proof Detox Shampoo and the Moroccan Oil Leave-In Conditioner, I know these are exactly what I need right now, given all that I've done with my hair last year. I have used these products before, but for me to use this on an ongoing basis this year, I'm getting a much better deal with the subscription box from FabFitFun. Because just these 2 products alone would have cost me $68, and that's more than how much I pay for the entire box. Once your hair looks shiny and healthy, you're gonna look younger overall. We all know how important makeup is, but one major habit that can instantly make you look older is ignoring the steps that's leading up to the perfect makeup. So in my spring box, I picked these 2 new products to add to my pre-makeup routine. Hydrating Face Primer from Milk Makeup and the Mint Lip Balm from Topicals. Instead of applying foundation directly into bare skin, which can make fine lines and texture more noticeable, now adding the primer before that makes my skin look more smooth and it blurs imperfections, and that helps my makeup last longer. And for the lip balm, instead of applying it directly before my makeup, which can make my lips look too shiny for my liking, I actually use it the night before I go to bed. That way, when I wake up in the morning, my lips are nice and moist, and that makes my lipstick go on much easier. Every woman knows how important our face is, but if you're only paying attention to your face and not paying enough attention to the rest of your body, then that's a very easy way to immediately make you look older than you actually are. So in my spring box, I picked this body scrub from Bia. It's very easy to use and leave my skin feel smooth and radiant. And again, I'm saving a ton of money with FabFitFun because this product alone would have cost me $38 retail. And as a member, I also get access to amazing flash sales for up to 70% off. If you use my code, you will receive a free gift valued over $200 with the new annual membership. I'm an annual member and I love it because you get first tips to new products, early access to flash sales, and earlier shipping. I recommend annual membership because then you can get the most out of it. But if you want to sign up for a seasonal member to give it a try, I also have a 20% off code for your first box. Each seasonal box has a value of up to $350, but with my code, your first box is only going to be $55.99. Finally, let's talk about the number one thing that is affecting so many women, but most of us don't even realize it is making us look older, and that is wearing the wrong bra. According to a study, 80% women are wearing the wrong bras. So that could be wrong size bra, or could be the bra you're wearing just don't suit the shape of your breasts. When that happens, your breasts are not getting enough support. So underneath your clothes, they're gonna look either sagging or spilled over. And either way, that's gonna add years to how you look. Now, that obviously can affect women of all height, but why is it so important if you're petite? Especially critical if you're petite with large busts. This is my model, Wendy. She's 5'2", 32D chest, and she models for my petite clothing line. One of the most important things we make sure before each photo shoot is to make sure she's wearing the right bra, because that makes a huge difference in terms of how the photos turn out. The reason is because when you're petite, your frame is shorter. Because your torso is shorter, your chest actually takes up more space on your torso compared with our taller friends. Because of that, if you're not wearing the right bra immediately, that's gonna show under your clothes and you're not gonna have the best posture and everything is affected. When you are wearing the right bra, everything you wear is gonna look more flattering and you're gonna look immediately younger. Besides wearing the right bra, it's really important for petite with large busts to really pay close attention to the style of clothing that you're choosing and how you exactly are wearing them. Make sure you watch this video. I talk in detail about everything you need to know. How to dress if you are petite with a large bust and what to avoid. I will see you in the next video.